Good day, children. So, how are you all? Good? Yes. So, before entering to the class, close your eyes, join your hands, sit straight for the prayer. Yes. Ask God Almighty to help you throughout this term, this day. Pray for your family. Pray for everyone who is surrounding you. Pray for the whole world. Okay, now open your eyes. Yes, good afternoon. Okay, now today we are moving to our next chapter, that is the balloon seller. What is it? The balloon seller. That is your fifth chapter, page number 53. Get set go. What do you enjoy doing during your summer holidays? This time, did you have your summer holidays? Long holidays, right? Started from March. Now it is October. Yes. Okay. So, did you enjoy your summer holidays? No. It was not usual summer holidays. You were locked in your home. But still, you had fun, right? You did many activities. You did craft work. Some of you already learned cooking and all. Then, what did you learn during the summer holidays? Yes, you learned cooking, okay. Then, craft works. Okay, alright. Then, okay, some of you did videos. Good. Okay. Now, do you like to stay in town and play with your friends? Or do you go away for holiday? Do you enjoy adventure sports, indoor games, or just curling up on the sofa with a book? Okay, so under that, make a list of all the things you enjoy doing during the holidays. So here you have to write what all things you like to do during your holidays. Now after that, they have given you to compare your list with your partner's list, but presently you can't compare it. So first you complete your work and then we'll find a way to here to others activities. Okay? Yes. Now look into your textbook, page number, what is the page number? Page number 54. Okay. Hooray! Shouted the children as they streamed out of school and piled into their buses. School was over at last. Freedom for the next 2 months. Happy holidays, they shouted as the buses started moving. At home, Amit flung his bag on his bed and rushed into the kitchen. What's for lunch, Mummy? Your favorite dal bati, said Mummy. So, what is this dal bati? A delicious dish from Rajasthan. Okay? It's a Rajasthani dish. Okay, bati is baked bread. Okay, here we buy bread, right? Do you like eating bread? Bread toast with butter, with peanut butter, then with what else? With Nutella? Yes? Okay, so it's a roasted bun. Now, your favorite dal bati, said Mommy. So, what do you want to do today? Play and play, said Amit. In the evening, Amit and his friends, Karan, Julie and Ruby, met at their favorite place, the park. So, Which is their favorite place? Park. Okay. Who was Amit's best friends? Karan, Julie, and Ruby. What shall we do this summer? Asked Karan. I wish we had a mystery to solve like the five find outers, said Ruby. That happens only in stories. It doesn't happen in real life, said Amit. So you can see four children. Okay? You can look at the picture and then you can understand that children are having a great time. Okay, under their favorite tree at the park. I'm not sure, said Karan. After all, thefts and robberies take place in real life. There are real detectives too. We have a detective agency next door. Let's do some detecting, said Julie excitedly. Don't be silly. We wouldn't know how. And where will we find a mystery? So these children are telling, Karan was asking, what shall we do during this summer? So, who is telling? Ruby is telling, I wish if we had a adventurous detective stories or puzzles to solve. But then Amit is telling, no, it only happens in stories. After that, Kiran was telling, no, even robberies happen in real life. And to our next door, there is a detective agency too. I bet there are a lot of mysteries around. Look at that balloon seller. He has been standing at the gate for the last half an hour without trying to sell a balloon. I'm sure he's a thief. Just looking for an opportunity, said Ruby. Well, I don't know. He does have a bag, said Karan uncertainly. Look, he is going away. Let's follow him, said Julie. Okay, but let's be careful too. It could be dangerous if he sees us, said Karan. They looked rather funny walking one behind the other as they followed the balloon seller. So suddenly these children caught a balloon seller standing near the gate. And this fellow, this seller, was not trying to sell any balloons. He was simply standing. So the children is coming to a conclusion that he is a thief and he is waiting for an opportunity to do his work. So these children are going to follow this balloon seller. And they were walking one behind the other, which really looked so funny. They would scamper for cover and hide behind a car or a cart whenever the man turned his head. The man turned into the next lane and stopped when he reached a big house. He looked around and walked through the gate. The house was locked and there was no one in the street. The children peered over the wall to see what the man was doing. I told you he is a thief. Look, he is going round the house to find a way in, whispered Ruby. What should we do? We can't let him get away, said Karan. Let's wait a bit. There may be an explanation, said Amit. Let's call the police, said Karan. Shh, he's coming, whispered Julie as the man reappeared. What if he sees us? Let's run away, said Amit. Suddenly, a car drove up near the house and stopped in front of the gate. A young couple with a little child got off. The woman opened the gate. The man looked at the children suspiciously. What are you doing here? he asked. There is a thief in your house, said Julie. Just then, the child let go of his mother's hand and ran towards the balloon seller. The children looked in shock, but the father seemed unmoved. Mummy, balloon! The child shouted excitedly. The balloon seller picked up the child affectionately and handed him a large red balloon. Here it is, just for you, said the man. I was about to leave because I found the house locked. Thank you for waiting, otherwise Samir would have screamed the place down, said mother. Yes, he has to have a balloon every evening, said the father. So what is actually happening here? They saw a family coming in a car. They just got out and opened the gate. So it's clear that it's their house. Now, this man saw these children and asked, what are they doing there? So the children told, there is a thief at your house. But the child, the little one with them, when he saw the balloon seller, he just ran to him. And this balloon seller took him affectionately and presented a balloon to him. So this children was really surprised. And the balloon seller told, I was about to go because I found the house is closed. Our house is locked. And this kid's parents are telling, thank you for waiting because Samir always wanted a balloon in the evening. And without that, he will scream and put the place down. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Scream the place down. Because he'll scream a lot and he won't be happy at all. Okay? He won't give us little time even to explain to him what it is. Okay? So that means this Samir is the one to whom this balloon seller is always presenting something. And he was waiting for Samir to come. Yes. So from this, what did you understand? He is not a thief. Yes, he has to have a balloon every evening, said the father. The children did not wait to hear anymore and ran back to the park. Okay. You and your mysteries, said Amit breathlessly as he flopped down on the bench. Ruby and Julie looked sheepish for a moment. Then they all burst out laughing. Let's stick to our games for the rest of the holidays and forget about the mysteries, said Amit as they all headed home. So Amit was so angry and he felt so ashamed. So he was telling, just go away with these foolish thoughts. And Julie and Ruby felt so foolish because they only brought this idea. Now, what might happen if these children go and inform police about this man? They'll become fools there. Yes, and finally children started laughing, thinking about the foolish things they have done. Now after that, Amit was telling, see, for the rest of the holidays, we'll just throw your mysteries out and we'll enjoy with our games. Yes, so this is a story. That is the balloon seller. Okay, so your fifth chapter is also over. Now, your notes I shall be giving you. Before that, underline all the difficult words, find out its meanings and note it into your English notebook. Okay? Yes, that work has to be completed. Now, Along with that, into your grammar activity note, you have to write a experience. Experience of what? Yes, during your summer vacation, you might have gone through something foolish like this. Yes, okay, like that. If you have a experience, just write it in your my grammar activity note. Okay, and we'll share it in class. Okay, so for a 3 to 5 minutes, we'll laugh at hearing to those experiences. Okay, so complete this work and have a good day.